Opening a cash account with Wealthsimple is a simple process that allows you to manage your funds effectively. Here's how you can set one up. Sign up or log in. Visit Wealthsimple. Go to the Wealthsimple website or open the Wealthsimple app. Create an account. If you're new to Wealthsimple, sign up by providing your email address, creating a password, and verifying your identity. If you already have an account, log in with your existing credentials. Navigate to the cash account option. Access account types. Once logged in, go to the accounts or invest section in the app or website. Select cash account. Look for the cash account option, which is designed for everyday cash management and transactions. Complete your profile. Provide personal information. Fill in your personal details such as your name, address, social insurance number, and employment information. You might also need to answer questions related to your financial status. Fund your cash account. Link bank account. Connect your external bank account to Wealthsimple for easy transfers. Deposit funds. Transfer funds from a linked bank account into your Wealthsimple cash account. This can be done via a one-time deposit or by setting up automatic transfers. Start using your account. Manage funds. Use the Wealthsimple app or website to monitor your cash balance, make transactions, and manage your account. Access and withdraw. Withdraw funds. When needed, you can easily transfer money from your Wealthsimple cash account back to your linked bank account.